If you're a video editor or content creator, you know how much sound design can make or break your project. So today, let's compare Artlist and Epidemic sound, focusing on SFX libraries, stems, and workflow. Artlist gives you a clean, organized library with cinematic and natural sounds, perfect for storytelling or film style project. Epidemic sound, on the other hand, packs a bigger variety. You get everything from Foley and ambient sounds to quick transitions and tech effects, ideal for YouTube, social media, and client edits. Artlist doesn't always offer separate stems for every track, which can limit your control in mixing. Epidemic sound gives you full stems for most tracks, vocals, bass, percussion, instruments, so you can shape the sound exactly how you want it to fit your edit. Both integrate smoothly with editing software, but Epidemic's tagging system and faster downloads make finding and syncing clips a bit quicker. It's built for modern creators who edit regularly. So, while Artlist is great for cinematic work, Epidemic Sound just feels more practical day to day, especially if you edit often or handle multiple projects. If you're ready to simplify your sound workflow and get more creative control, Epidemic Sound is the one I go with.